Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the Unknown Royal TV. Guys, today I've got another DIY video for you guys. Hope you can sit back and relax and just watch the video. And didn't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share, guys. By sharing is how I can grow. And of course, I do need your support. You guys know, even if you are not a YouTuber, it takes ages, it takes a lot of hours and dedication to record videos and also edit and so on and so forth. I would appreciate your support. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers this year if it's possible, again with your support. Thank you very much in advance and into the video. So guys, here I'm using £1 a blank canvas. I'm using a stencil here that I bought from AliExpress for like 50 cents. And I'm just going over with the paint, acrylic paint, and just dabbing into the canvas. I love black and white. I think it just makes everything looks amazing. Even if your art work is not top notch, and yes guys, so I just have to start saying that when you use a stencil you need to be very careful not saturating your sponge or whatever material you're trying to dab, because as I'm showing you here, he actually bled, you see. So it could have been better, but it's my first time, and it's for myself. I think I can go back and fix it, or I can just repaint it all white and start all over again. But you won't spare yourself from that work. Just start slowly and be patient. Guys, I just want to mention, here you see me placing the stencil a bit closer to where I actually finished, but I didn't do a great job at that because I was a bit far out from where I wanted to really join the two areas. So pay attention to that when you use a stencil, and you should be fine, because you want a uniform look, and also pay attention to the pattern. The pattern has to obviously marry each other. It has to look good. Otherwise you look sort of a jigsaw, like in my case here. But this is a black and white art, and I can get away with that. And as you could see in the beginning of this video, it looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'll let you carry on watching, and do not forget to comment, share. That will help me out a lot. Thank you guys. Guys, I just want to mention as well that it's very therapeutical, painting, and I mean, it gives me a sense of relaxation. I can't explain. I absolutely adore, and I also like to see something start from nothing to something so beautiful. You guys will see at the end, like you saw in the beginning of this intro of this video, how obviously the item looks. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's not perfect, but it's already beautiful. Can you imagine by practicing and making more items like this? I was just thinking you can actually even open a business selling stuff like this as well, creating with your own hand. Yes, guys, my second item that I'll be showing you is actually an empty bottle of cocktail drink. It was going to go in the bin, and I decided to create a beautiful piece. Guys, here I'm just showing you guys the progression of my work. As you can see, there's some areas that has bled. Like I said, pay attention to that. Do not saturate your sponge. Okay, you can always go back and repaint everything white or black, depends whatever look you're going for it, or even red. I was thinking even red in black, you know, some people like those colors. You look very, very nice and striking, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue. You carry on watching, and until. Guys, the work is progressing. I've got a few ideas of what to do with the. If you look at, it has got. I mean, you can see that there's gaps in between the stencil work. Okay, so I've got some ideas how I'm gonna try to make it better. Like I said, it's for a small space, and it's for myself. All right. Alright guys, I'm using a white acrylic paint. I'm just going to go over with the areas that I made a mess out of it, some corners and stuff. And also I decided to like paint a line in the middle. If you see here, there's a black line in the middle of the canvas. I decided to do that to make it a bit more artsy and I think it looks good. Later on you see, if you carry on watching the video, that I'll be making some alterations still. So here I am just sort of doing the, you know, little touches on the areas that needs a bit of help, and just to neat everything out, make things look a bit more appealing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So guys, this is how I created the line in the middle with what do you call it, a double tape, a masking tape, better. So with a masking tape, just to keep things uniform, I thought it needed something, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And yes guys, carry on watching. Guys, as you can see, the work is definitely has progressed. There's some areas that are very spotty, as you can see, where it bled when I first started, and as you can see really clearly, it got so much better. Okay, now I've got here this bottle of a cocktail drink that I was going to throw it away, but I decided to keep it and do art. So guys, I first of all went with gesso. I actually had painted these, has been a week or so ago. I used gesso first to give you that nice base. I went with the brush a few times, then I used the acrylic paint as I'm showing here. Guys, I'm trying to use the stencil for a bottle. It's not an easy job because the bottle has a funny shape and it requires a lot of patience. I have to say, in this occasion, I was so impatient. I just want to see the bottle looking nice, decorated with this pattern. And I made a bit of a mess, but overall, you see how everything turns out. I tried my best, and I'm sure you do a better job. And I definitely will be much better when I do for the second round. Guys, it can be a bit challenging, but it's definitely worth it. Like I said, the end result, by practicing a few times, it will look fantastic. Yes, Hunty, my work is done. Far from perfect, and that's the beauty behind handmade products. Okay, I think he makes a nice piece of art, and combined with the canvas, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Although it has smeared because I kept painting and then putting my fingers, as you can see, there's spotty areas. Like I said, I'm gonna do it again with another bottle. I'm saving all my empty bottles now because I can see that I can create beautiful art, beautiful vase or vassals or whatever people call it. And yes, it's just so nice, guys. I'm very pleased with the result. Guys, this is the result. I like it very much. Like I said, there's some spots that I need to improve. I need to go back and repaint it. However, guys, this is an idea for you guys to have in mind. It will decorate definitely any space. And like I said, black and white never goes out of fashion. Comment and share.